What if I told you that this place is just 40 kilometers from Delhi? Would you believe it? Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. So hey guys, this is Yashish and you're watching One Day Utopia. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. So today we're going to explore a really interesting place located pretty close to Delhi and is a perfect getaway for your family while not being too far. I'm talking about Camp Wild Dhauj at Aravalli Valley. So let's explore this place and see if it is worth a visit or not, and make sure to watch the entire video as this time I have managed to get a discount coupon for you guys as well. But first, let's just take a moment to appreciate the beautiful Delhi roads and try to keep them as they are by not throwing waste on the roads. Moving ahead, Camp Wild Dhauj is approximately 40 kilometers from central Delhi and it takes around 1.5 hours to reach there. It is located near Mangar village surrounded by Aravalli Valley, hence the name Camp Wild Dhauj at Aravalli Valley. To reach here, you have to head towards Chhatarpur and then take the link road, and from the main road you have to make a left turn to the Camp Wild Road, which will lead you straight to the camp through Mangar village. Judging by the videos I saw of this place, I thought the roads won't be that good, but to my surprise, the roads were pretty well built and you can easily take your bikes and cars on these roads. And don't think you're lost while crossing the village, just put the Google Maps to work and you will easily reach the camps. For the most part, the road is amazing, but there is just one stretch of 1 or 2 kilometers that is bumpy, which in my opinion is doable. And then finally, you will see the entrance to the Camp Wild Dhauj surrounded by the Aravalli Valley. Now let me give you a quick overview of this place. So this is the main grounds of Camp Wild. This place offers day trips and overnight stay options in lodges and tents as well, with various adventure sports activities like rock climbing, trekking, zip lining, zorbing, cycling and a low rope obstacle course as well. And they provide packages for individuals, schools and corporate clients as well.
So finally we have reached Camp Wild Dhauj and I can safely say that we are not disappointed. There are a lot of activities to do here like football, basketball, cricket, and there are some zip lining activities and other activities as well. And there is, especially for us, there is a hike to that particular mountain you can see behind me. We can hike to that mountain, and I think that is the best thing this place has to offer.
This place brings out your inner child and you can finally spend some time away from your phone, enjoying with your family and friends.
let me give you a quick tour of this place. These are the cottages that you can see right now. Every cottage has been given a really interesting name. If you see, Nanda Ghunti, and what is it called, Nanda Devi. I don't know what they're based on, but still it is interesting. Then there are these tents.
It is really embarrassing coming out of a travel enthusiast, but I didn't know that all these lodges have been named after some of the highest mountain ranges of Himachal and Uttarakhand, like Nanda Devi and Kinnar Kailash, etc. And that's pretty interesting. Moving ahead, as you can see, you can rent a tent here as well, although it will cost you the same even if you take a lodge or a tent.
As far as I know, this place has changed a lot in a good sense actually. क्योंकि जितने भी मैंने YouTube videos देखी हैं, it was under construction at that time, but now everything is in place and it looks quite good. After this, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of their tents and accommodations, and that will give you an idea if it is worth it to book a stay here or not.
Talking about the tents, they are really spacious with room for luggage and basic facilities like charging points, attached washroom and running water, etc. with an awesome view outside. Speaking of the cost, a day trip will cost you around 750 plus taxes. That includes lunch and evening snacks, and timings are 9 am to 6 pm. On the other hand, a night stay will cost you around 2000 plus taxes with dinner and breakfast included, and 2500 plus taxes for all 3 meals included. Although if you call them and give them our reference, you will get an instant discount of 10% on all packages. You just have to mention our channel name, Wander Utopia. If you face any issues, you can contact us on our mail, wanderutopia@gmail.com. By the way, all the dog cuddles are for free. So this is the obstacle course I mentioned earlier. Also note that you can play cricket, football, badminton, etc. here, but for the adventure sports, make sure to contact them prior to your visit. And now, it's time to go berserk. After all that, we got really hungry, and so we headed towards the dining area. The sanitization was well taken care of, be it in the play area or the dining area, and all the staff members were wearing masks at all times. Speaking of staff members, they were really friendly and cooperative. I almost ran out of my camera battery and they happily offered me a charger. The food, on the other hand, was well cooked and hygienic. You will probably get a paneer sabzi, a dal, and tandoori breads in lunch. Finishing off our lunch, we started our hike to the mountaintop. My favorite part of the day, if you ask me.
So we have just started our hike to the top of the mountain, and on our right is our campsite. These are the camps. और हमें एकदम ऊपर जाना है. Let's see how much time it takes. I don't know if you can see, कुछ लोग आ भी रहे हैं ऊपर से. So let's see हमें कितना टाइम लगता है इससे.
The trail is a bit challenging, but with the help of Chacha that you are going to be introduced in a while, you will be able to do it with some effort. I would recommend you to take the concerned person from the camp along with you.
We are still climbing और थोड़ा बारिश का भी अब लग रहा है. Let's see ऊपर जाने तक क्या रहता है. There are a lot of treks from Delhi that are so close, but this one is definitely challenging. और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्द बारिश होने वाली है, तो let's see हम टॉप तक जा भी पाते हैं या नहीं. I thought this was going to be a long trek, but ये शुरू होते ही ख़त्म हो गया है. But व्यू बहुत ही अमेजिंग होगा यहाँ का. Let me just show you.
And this is the final view you're gonna get from here. Trust me, after spending just 5 minutes here, you won't be able to convince yourself that you're just 40 kilometers away from Delhi.
So the final verdict of this place is that this place has exceeded my expectation completely. Like I wasn't expecting कि जो hospitality है और facilities हैं वो इस जगह की इतनी अच्छी होंगी. जो to my surprise was very good, and the sanitization was well taken care of. और we got a welcome drink, and the lunch was really good, and the hospitality and the staff was really friendly. So उसके बाद ये जो ट्रैक है ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग रहा मेरे लिए. मतलब एटलीस्ट आई नो इट इज़ जस्ट 15 मिनट ट्रैक और कोई ट्रैकिंग एंथुजियास्ट के लिए इतना काफ़ी नहीं होता है, बट मतलब दिल्ली से अगर आप यहाँ तक आ रहे हैं जस्ट 40 किलोमीटर्स ड्राइव, देन एंड इफ़ यू आर सीइंग सच अ व्यू, देन आई थिंक इट इज़ टोटली वर्थ इट. Finally we are back to the camps, and it was raining and it got really difficult to trek on those slippery trails, but now we are back and heading towards the camp. Camp Wild Dhodj में आपको कोई भी ज़रूरत हो, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप साहिल भाई को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये यहाँ पे मेन पर्सन है और ये बहुत अच्छे से चीज़ें हैंडल करते हैं. और जब आप ऊपर हाइकिंग के लिए जाएं तो चाचा के साथ ज़रूर जाएं. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमें सबको नीचे लेके आए हैं. मैं यहाँ पर पूरी फैमिली के साथ आया था अपनी, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद देयर सर्विस. सो आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in another fun-filled video. Till then, this is Yashish signing off. You're watching One Day Utopia. Keep exploring.